Now it's time to add this text and add this container of our social section component. So it's just a view. If you press on it, it's just a view with border radius 14 and background color, this background color. So let's copy this background color and let's go to our contact us screen. And this is the social section. Let's add a view and give it style equals to styles dot social container. And let's go and add this style, social container. The background color was this color that I have copied from Figma, and the border radius was 14. Remember? I remember. And we got here some padding. So padding top is 26 and padding horizontal is here's 18 and here's 20. We're gonna select only one thing. Let's select, for example, 20. So padding horizontal, let's make it scale of 20, or let's make it 18 like this. I think 18 is better. And padding vertical, let's make it vertical scale of 26. Oops, 26 is very big. Let's try to decrease it. Let's try to make it 15 like this. I think 15 is better. Now let's add this text, social media platform. So let's copy it and let's add it here. So text, social media platform, and the style of this text is semi-bold 16 and the color is black. So let's add style equals to styles dot, let's name it social title. The name is up to you. And inside the social title, the font size is gonna be scale of 16 and font weight is semi-bold like this. Now let's give some space between our container and contact us. So it's about 22 pixels. So let's add margin top, vertical scale 22. We forgot to add this text, contact us text. So let's copy it and add a text above the social container. So here text is contact us, and let's give our text some styling. So let's style equals to styles dot, let's name it screen title. And we're gonna give it those styling. If you open Figma and see, you're gonna see that it's semi-bold and the font size is 30. So let's edit. So font size is scale of 30 and font weight is semi-bold. And let's add some margin top. We got here margin top 38. So margin top, vertical scale of 38. I think it's a very big space. Let's try to decrease it. Here in Figma is 38, but in mobile it's a lot bigger. So let's decrease it. Let's make it, for example, let's try 20. I think 20 is better. And finally, it got here some space. It's not at the line with this view. So let's give it some margin start. Let's make it 19. So let's add some margin start. Let's make it 19 like this. Now we are done with this text, and this text, let's duplicate our social section. We got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's make those 5. So let's duplicate this. First, let's format our code. So right click and press on format document. Then let's duplicate this code. So let's copy it and paste, 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 paste 5 times. Now we got here our component like the screen, but all of them are WhatsApp, 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 and there's no icons here. So in next lesson, we're gonna make our social section as reusable component so we can implement inside it different titles and different icons as well. Depend on the props.